Hi friends, so I have some really exciting news to share with you, and that is we are creating a fun new educational cooking show for kids called Fun with Food. So here's a little bit more about Fun with Food. In every episode, I'll be sharing a recipe or we'll go on a fun food adventure, all while learning about letters, numbers, colors, shapes, nutrition, and so much more. My goal for this show is that it's just really wholesome, quality content that the whole family can sit down and enjoy and watch together. I also hope to inspire a love of fruits and vegetables and learning. This new show is so dear to my heart. I am so excited about it. I feel like it includes everything that I'm so passionate about, and we have been working hard to put this new show together. It will be launching this November on our new Fun with Food YouTube channel. I'll put links below. I will continue to create content for our Healthy Grocery Girl channel right here, in addition to creating this new show over on our Fun with Food YouTube channel. If you have children, if you know anyone that has children, I hope that you will watch our new show. I really think you're gonna love it. It is fun, it is colorful, it is educational, it is delicious. I'm having so much fun creating this show. I can't wait to share it with you, and I'm so excited for you to have fun with food with me. I am so passionate, excited, nervous, excited about this new show. We have put so much heart into it, so much love. There's so much I want to share with you, like behind the scenes of all that's going into this new show. But the most important thing is that you and your kids love it. And I really hope that you do. It is wholesome, quality content. It's colorful, it's fun, it's educational. I cannot wait for you to watch. And as I mentioned, our very first episode will launch this November. And make sure you head over to our new YouTube channel if you want to watch our official Fun with Food trailer. And the very first episode is going to be launching in November. I'm so excited for you to watch. I'm so excited to go on this fun food adventure with you. It's gonna be great. So that is our big new exciting project, friends. I'm so excited. As you can tell, I'm just filled with joy and excitement about this new show that we're creating. And I hope that you'll watch. If you have children or if you know someone that has children, I hope that you will share this show with them. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for watching our new show when it comes out. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And that's our big new exciting project. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.